Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, secure the car, chock wheels, and set the parking brake so nothing moves while you work. Once done, loosen the front wheel lug nuts and lift the vehicle to a safe height, then support it with jack stands. You gather tools, wrenches, tie rod separator, torque wrench, and the replacement steering rod. This saves time and prevents trips back to the bench. Make sure to inspect boots and tie rod ends for wear before you remove anything. That tells you what to expect next. You now focus on the central work. Mark the current alignment on the old rod and adjuster so you can restore toe roughly. Once marked, use a tie rod separator to pop the end free without damaging the threads. This preserves alignment reference. Unthread the rod from the adjuster, then install the new steering rod to the marked position, hand-starting threads to avoid cross-threading. After hand fit, tighten to the correct torque, and grease any fittings. This ensures smooth. You finish by reinstalling the wheel and torquing the lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer's spec, then lower the vehicle safely. Once down, check steering range and perform a slow road test to feel for play or pull. If everything feels solid, get a professional alignment soon. This prevents uneven tire wear. If the steering pulls or feels loose, stop and recheck the toe marks, red-itin tie rod clamps, and confirm the rod threads match the marks. You likely need a small adjustment rather than a full replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.